Hello, Prosper ISD. Here we are rolling into almost the end of April. It's hard to believe. So this Friday, please come out and join us at the Prosper High School track for Relay for Life. And so that is a great event that's put on by our students. It's just a fun time, and they do a carnival theme, so there's a lot of fun games to play for everybody that comes and attends, and then certainly being able to walk and just visit with friends around the track as we remember those who have battled cancer. And so I really appreciate our students doing that. So thank you to all of our students for always giving more than you have to give. Shout out to Reynolds Middle School too for their Hope Squad Assembly that they recently did. Such a great experience, and we certainly want to thank Prosper Education Foundation because they are a huge supporter of our Hope Squad programs, not only personally but also financially, and so we want to say thanks for that. Also, so coming up next week, we have a state tennis player from Rock Hill High School, Blake Anderson, who will be competing in San Antonio at the state tennis tournament. So good luck, Blake. We wish you nothing but the absolute best. And I've got some pretty big news from our school board meeting this week. Our teachers, with the blessing of our fabulous Prosper ISD school board, our teachers and staff received a 2.5% raise from the midpoint, and I can't think of a group of people who are more deserving than our staff and Prosper ISD, but I personally want to thank the Prosper ISD School Board for their support, continued support, and the way they rally around all of our great staff members in Prosper ISD so that they can do their best work with our students. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope that you all have a great weekend and a great week coming up. And remember, be kind. We are Prosper. We are one.